So I've been looking for a tutorial on this song. It's a great song, but I couldn't find any, so I just decided to make one myself. And it's basically just really a couple simple chords with some hammer-ons thrown in. I'll play the melody first and explain the sections. Then the chorus goes up to a C. The girl on Friday night and wake up next to her in E minor. Running across the ocean blue, walk a mile upon the moon, wear the crown and sit upon the throne. So basically it's just this bass on the G, and then there's the first finger on the 2nd fret G string, and then there's this little D on the end. Then there's this weird chord. It's first finger on the 2nd fret E string, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret B string, and 4th finger on the 4th fret G string, but you're going to keep that bass in there, so it's kind of a little bit of a finger stretcher. You got to kind of get these guys in here and then throw that guy on top. And it goes to this D7 shape on the 3rd fret, and back to the G bass. And occasionally he'll throw in goes to the chorus, he sometimes picks up the tempo. Up to the C. So he kind of does that little hammer-on over there on the 7th. Friday night and wake over to the E minor, wake up next to her on Saturday, back to C. To swim across the ocean, walk a mile upon the moon, to wear the crown and sit upon the throne. Then it goes back to that D7 shape. It's getting late, the restaurant's gonna close, off to work I go. There you have it. That's the basic structure of it. Obviously you can play with the hammer-ons and the tempo and all that, but it's a great song just on acoustic guitar, even though they do some slide guitar arrangements. And yeah, I hope that helps. Email me if you have any questions.